Hey, it's Stacy, and today in my kitchen I'm going to be showing you how to make gluten-free homemade tortilla chips that taste better than anything you could buy out of a bag. All right, stay with me. So you need 3 ingredients. I like Trader Joe's brown rice tortillas, and you start with that. You need some olive oil, and you need Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning. So it's really easy. Put the tortillas on an oiled cookie sheet, and then take more oil and just drizzle it on the top. So you've got oil on the bottom and oil on the top. And then you take everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend, and you want to give it a liberal shake, because this is your main seasoning. Then you pop it into a preheated 350 degree oven. I like to use convection. And here they are, just out of the oven. They are gorgeous. I love the color on these. And they are so crispy and delicious. Oh my gosh, they're perfect. So thanks for being with me in my first jump rope video. I love these. They are so crunchy, and so flavorful, and so healthy. Once you make these, you will never, ever, ever go back to the other. So see you in the next one. Take care.